I restarted it yesterday, so yes.
But like yesterday, you were like not able to, or like I don't know.
Yesterday I hadn't checked. Like I restarted it like last night, this morning. Okay, you know what? I'm going to try something different at this point. I have just stopped the server. Okay. Files. Select. Okay. Servers. Ghost Industries. Install. Okay. Let's see if this works. Swear to God, this is making my head explode at this point. Okay. It's this button. Start running. Runs its update state. Okay. This run. Nobody tried to connect at the moment because that might mess it up. Okay. Save. Save. Move. Out of the act. Copy that. Server description. Is that save content? Start. Server description. Yes. Okay. If this doesn't work, bearing in mind what I've done, it's very likely that I will have to wipe the entire world if I want to actually play on my own server, which will be very annoying.
Can I have the world before you wipe it, because I don't want to lose the trading post.
It is a
Also,
nice
like, let me get my
post.
stuff first. All my stuff is in there.
Fair enough.
It's fine because I already have like a very intricate banking system for keeping my supplies where I need them.
Mm-hmm.
I built the first ship 15 times.
Bloody hell.
God.
Because you can, if you go to a valve, you can actually access the cargo without calling the ship out.
Oh,
So you can just use them as bank tabs.
I see.
Oh,
Okay. Play. Connect to server. Is it using the same invite code, or is it throwing me a new? No, it's using the same one.
Can you not click the server?
Find. Connect. Loading. You might need to put the invite code in again because of the way I've done this. And I've immediately crashed. Great.
damn.
Okay.
Jesus. Sorry.
But it didn't throw any disconnect notes at me, so maybe...
But so far it's always been crash at that main menu. There's a lot of server issues threads on the Discord right now.
And yeah, again, doesn't let me in.
Well, in that case, I believe I will be going horizontal for a bit.
Alright,
Okay.
let's hope they fix this soon.
Is it gonna let you in, Neff, out of curiosity?
I can try.
Yeah.
Good luck. Sounds like you're about to need it.
I'm sure I will. Wait, I need to find the code. Okay, I have to wait for it to load though.
That's fine. I'm watching. I'm watching the server console. What I want to see is if I swap it over to a different world file, if that'll let me in.
But so far it doesn't do that, right?
Well, I haven't swapped it over to a different world
Oh,
file
okay.
yet. So
You could also try like one of us hosting and the other one connecting and see if that that does something.
maybe, yeah. And this seems to be working for you at the very least.
I think I'm in. Wait, still loading, but I hear noises.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'm in. I'm in now.
Okay. Still the same world? Got everything?
I don't know. I'm in the middle of the ocean.
Oh. Hmm. Interesting.
I already was I was in the middle of the ocean before.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna teleport home real quick. Yep, my stuff is still here.
Okay. Alright. I'm gonna try and set it up so
Yeah,
that
just
it's... Hmm?
can you try backupping, doing a backup of the old grid first?
I already have.
Okay.
I was using that anyway. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna set it so that it's looking at a different world. I don't even have to remove the old one. Let's see. This one. Stop it. Put the in here. 5 server description. Content. All start. See if this works.
Apparently, some ISPs are blocking the servers, and they they recommend people using Cloudflare Warp to go around that.
I mean, it's
What
working
ISP?
for you guys, and I'm broadcasting
Yeah,
the server, so.
that is true, but you're connecting to you, and it's not you connecting to. I mean,
It
what
wouldn't
ISP
make
are
a
you on?
difference, I don't think.
Because they said that it specifically affects like Ziggo, Telnet, Xfinity, and Spectrum,
I am on none of those.
and the Basic International Ltd.
Oh, no, I'm on Virgin.
Okay, that's not one of them on the list, so I'm not sure if that's one affected.
Yeah.
I've never heard of either of these.
And I've crashed again. Great.
This is
This
so
is...
consistent. Like the
It...
crash on the first connection, that's kind of weird.
Yeah. It's odd, that's for sure. And immediate, unexpected BL disconnect. Yeah, no, it just keeps throwing me out.
What did you do? What did you do to update the server, by the way?
I just changed the world.
No, I mean whenever the update happened, what did you do to update the server to the new version?
I just restarted it and it updates automatically.
It does that. Oh, okay.
can you try connecting to the server in its current state, please? It won't be the same world, but...
Is it the same code?
It should be, yeah.
Can you connect to it, or is it still doing the thing?
I mean, I can connect, but I can't get in, which is...
So the same thing still.
Yeah.
Like, what I'm wondering is if the issues on the server or on the client end.
I mean, I'm starting to think it's the client end, but I've verified the files multiple times at this point. There's...
Can you try like hosting a... Actually, what if I try to host the world because you're connecting to them as well?
Yeah, that might be a good idea.
Okay, I'm gonna try first loading into this one because I'm still in the loading screen though.
Yep.
Okay, I can load in. I'm on a random island in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, that's the start island.
Yeah. That would be just... Yeah, because
Yeah,
that's the new
that's
server.
how I loaded into the other one as well.
And I can switch it back to the other one. Good enough.
Yeah, you can switch it back and then we can try to like have just hosting and stuff.
Yeah. Okay, stopping server. Server just... Okay. That is the server functioning again. Okay, let's see if I can join you.
1 second, I got a host one.
Mm-hmm.
It's still loading when I sent you the stuff.
Mm-hmm. Okay, loading.
Oh, it sends me a pop-up. I got a pop-up from Windows.
Oh. Is it like
Regarding
the
my
firewall?
firewall's extended warranty, yeah.
Yeah. That's normal. So usually it should show up in whenever you open the game, not when someone's trying to connect to you, but Maybe if I connect to you, my side of the game will go, oh, that's something I can do. Oh, all right. And shove me into my server eventually.
The weird thing is that we can connect. That's like really weird.
Hmm.
Because apparently it works for some people, but like it's just used specifically for some reason. I don't know.
Me specifically on my own server, it doesn't work.
Yeah, but I wonder if that's part of the issue, actually.
If it is, that's going to be really annoying.
It tells me you joined my world.
Yeah, I'm here. I can see the wharf. It's like...
I can see you jumping around.
Oh yeah, there you are. Hi.
Alright, okay, that works. Now so we try the other way around, where I just join your world.
Yeah, we'll give that a go. See if that
But I'm not sure how much that would say, but still.
Well, it'll tell me that... Well, what this tells me is that it's specifically something that's between me and my server that is not functioning.
Yeah, because you can connect to other worlds, so it's not even your client.
Yeah.
So I wonder if it's because it's your server that's at your home as well with your PC.
If it is, well, the thing is, it should be making use of NAT loopback, and it was yesterday, the day before when I joined it, it was functional. But if it's not making use of NAT loopback anymore, then yeah, that means I wouldn't be able to join on my own server.
Same password? Or is it a no password?
No password. It's no password. It's just Oh, nice. It's finally given me the Windows Defender Firewall security alert. Allow access. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's what it is.
I mean, I also got the thing last when I was hosting, so it's probably just for connecting to you.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, I can hear the ocean. I've loaded in fine.
Remarkable times we live in.
Faria joined the world. Hello.
I'm still in the screen.
My goodness, what a hat.
Oh, yeah, I love this hat. It's a great hat.
Has vibes.
Oh my god, it's the place from the stream.
Yay. God.
Do you know someone who has a server that we can try on?
No idea.
Like, could you connect to someone else's server?
I don't know if there is, like, I don't know, is there a public server? There must be a public server, right?
There probably is.
Does the Windrose, game announcements, FAQ,
There's a server promotion channel in the Discord.
Yeah, let's try that. But this is This is, they're promoting server discords, not just normal servers. Ah, no, this one has just a straight up world invite code. Okay. Try you. And see if I can load into that, and if that works, then it is literally just something to do with the NAT loopback not working properly at the moment. Which is annoying, but I think can probably be fixed.
I mean, that would just need to move the server to somewhere else, I guess.
It's not like I can do that.
There's probably a fix for that that's really easy. I'm just not sure how, but you can ask Pyro or something.
Well, this server requires a password, so that's not gonna happen. They put the invite thing up, but it requires a password, so that's great. There's no actual public servers by the look of it. Well,
What do we do now?
I'm going to try to connect to my own server one more time, now that we've tried the other situations, and maybe this'll work this time. God knows. I was like, it worked the other day, so why wouldn't it work now? It's my fault, but apparently not.
Is there a file verification option for the server, maybe?
What?
Like, could you just, I don't know, like, could you just reinstall the server, then put the world back in or something?
I mean, that's what I did, like, 10 minutes ago.
Okay.
Is I literally wiped the entire server, put the world back up, and then reloaded it. So, nope, that doesn't work. I swear to God. Okay,
Like,
well,
what can it be?
I was hoping to play some Windrose today, and I did play a bit of Windrose today, but I was really hoping to play on the server today, and apparently the game really doesn't want me to play on my own server for some fucking reason. Is there a proxy pass-through setting that I have not got enabled that got added and I'm confused. Okay. 25 intro happened. Condition false. Message check consent was failed for ice controlling. Reach timeout 10,000 milliseconds. Source build work. Game replay checkout. Condition false. So yeah, I'm at a loss at this point. This is like 2 hours of troubleshooting and we've gotten nowhere. I'm End session is broken. BLP2P gate disconnected. Remote address. Connection reset by peer. There is no reason this shouldn't be working.
Yeah, I don't get what's wrong either, because it kind of loads in and then goes to the main menu again.
Yeah. Let's see. Account disconnected. Connected accounts, reserved accounts, disconnected accounts. 1. Name, Lucian B. Ghost. Account ID, yes. State, BL connected. Net address, U portal. Connected, 00. Time and game. Hot. Farewell region. Disconnect account ID. Error code unknown. Reason BLP2P gate disconnected. So what is the BLP2P gate? What is that,
What?
and why is it being weird? Is the BLP2P gate? Nothing. It's nothing, apparently. Or it's proprietary to Windrose. I'm gonna give one last thing a try. Is that content? Start. Oh, that's a bunch of
What
stuff
happened?
around. At least it's adjusted something. Oh, and apparently Windrose is not responding now. Okay. Game. Swear to God. End task. Try this again. Play. Back to server. Put in the password. Connect.
I mean, it's probably going to be like some sort of routing issue,
Yeah. I
because
wouldn't
it's
be
trying to route to
surprised.
yourself, and that's probably getting you confused somehow.
If that is the case, and there it goes, it just immediately crashed. Great. Status message, failed to connect to remote. Oh, I have a copy
Do
of
you
the
have like a
world.
VPN or something?
No, I don't run a VPN.
Yeah, but like, do you have one that you could try?
Only one that works on my browser. It doesn't do anything for the rest of my
Oh, okay.
computer. Okay, right. I'm gonna run a couple of tests, everybody. Hi, JD. Welcome in. We are trying to fix things. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call the stream for now, and I might be back in an hour or so if I finally manage to fix this. I don't know. For now, thank you all very much for joining us, everyone. Yeah. If we don't come back to this today, I will come back to this on Sunday when I'm back home. For now, thank you very much for joining us, everyone. We'll see you guys at some point. I'm so tired.